So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency? What causes amplitude? So why you could have an A chord, but yet you have another note, but it's a higher pitch. So what causes amplitude is when there's a force, and this force creates an energy that vibrates from an impact that lacks tension. Now this is a fascinating physics phenomenon. The distinction between amplitude and frequency is when a force is applied, and this force that's applied that creates an impact. This impact that creates this energy that vibrates and propagates at a minimum of 700 miles an hour. It does not derive from an already established tension. This is the disparity. This is what separates amplitude from frequency when it comes to sound. If we analyze, we take a physics analysis of sound. Now, frequency is based on pitch. Cycle per second, so the name that hertz. What causes frequency is when there's a force that's applied to an already established tension. Now, in some syntactical context, amplitude is also applied to when a force is applied to an already established tension, but the higher frequency